Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of batteries and exploring the exciting breakthroughs that might just change the way we power our devices. We all love our gadgets, but have you ever wondered about the environmental cost of the batteries that power them? Today, we're discussing the need for a shift in battery technology. From seawater to bio-waste and even natural pigments, researchers are on the hunt for alternatives that are not only more sustainable, but also widely available. And here's where a real game changer comes into play: PJPI Ltd. They've developed a revolutionary solution using cotton. Yes, you heard it right. Cotton is now a contender in the world of batteries. So, how does it work? PJPI, in collaboration with Kyushu University, has crafted a battery using carbon derived from carefully combusted cotton. At temperatures exceeding 3000 degrees, 1 kilo of cotton yields 200 grams of carbon, and just 2 grams are needed for each battery cell. Let's break it down. The cathode is created using a base metal oxide, including metals like copper, lead, nickel, and zinc, making them more readily available and less reactive compared to lithium. But that's not all. PJPI is also developing batteries with 2 carbon electrodes derived from plants. And get this, a sodium-ion battery that utilizes seawater as a positively charged electrode. No anode needed. Of course, challenges exist, such as the energetic reaction between sodium and water. Yet, the potential is enormous, and researchers are actively exploring ways to harness sodium for a sustainable energy future. Beyond cotton and seawater, scientists are investigating a myriad of materials like corn waste and melon seed shells for new battery electrodes. The challenge? Scaling up production to meet the surging demand in the battery industry. And here's a kicker: calcium, a substance found in our teeth and bones, might be the key to safer cathodes. Imagine a future where batteries are powered by a mix of calcium and silicon, offering a promising solution for the industry. That's a wrap on today's journey into the future of batteries. From cotton to seawater and calcium, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech updates, and let us know in the comments which battery alternative fascinated you the most. Until next time, stay charged.